The acting chief of army staff, Major General Olufemi Oluyede, has paid tribute to his late predecessor, Lieutenant General Taoreed Lagbaja, describing him as a selfless leader who always prioritized the welfare of his soldiers and the country above his own needs. He said instead of consulting on his treatment abroad, he was negotiating how to get equipment. This is coming from the acting chief of army staff. In a video that was shared by Channels TV during a heartfelt speech at the burial ceremony in Abuja, General Oluyede highlighted the late Chief of Army Staff's unwavering dedication to his duties, even when, while battling illness, rather than focusing on his treatment abroad, he was busy negotiating how to acquire modern equipment for his soldiers upon his return. Sadly, he didn't make it back to us, meaning that he was abroad. And they said he died in Lagos. Okay, now. It's just unfortunate that the man did not even make it. So all these ones are not just inconsequential. What people are talking about is how do we trust the government? The government cannot be trusted. Say things the way they are, or you keep quiet. General Oluyede painted a vivid picture of Lieutenant General Lagbaja as a man of incredible character and commitment. Despite his busy schedule, he made time for his family, showing love and care for his wife and children. He also earned the admiration of troops who appreciated his humility, kindness, and efforts to improve their welfare. The acting chief of army staff also revealed a touching detail about General Lagbaja's humility. Even on his sickbed, he chose to nominate me for a national honor rather than himself. Oluyede said, praising his late colleague's selflessness. General Lagbaja's legacy, according to Oluyede, is one of integrity, dedication, and sacrifice. Though small in size, he was larger than life, and his contributions to the Nigerian army will never be forgotten, he concluded. The burial ceremony was a solemn reminder of the late general's remarkable life and service, leaving behind a legacy that will inspire generations in the Nigerian army. Unanugo Shetigbo. Well, Tinubu should be aware of those Fulani cabals in the military. Lagbaja's death was a sophisticated, well-planned assassination. They know with him there, they will find it difficult to do anything. Tinubu should watch his back. A word is enough for the wise. Good men don't last long. That is one thing that has been established. Really? He has done his best for the nation and he will forever be remembered. Don't let that one fear you to forget your own primary duty. They said you should crush them. Don't make noise against, just crush them. Period. Waiting be they seek the man. She be then say na poison then give am. Then just buy this promising young gallants general for nothing. But one day the truth will surface. They poison the man. Everybody's joining the bandwagon. Of course, we are in a lawless country, because if we were in a country that it follows the rule of law, because instead of people trying to trying to make up things or trying to just join the bandwagon, the truth of the matter, what really transpired, will be made open and there will be closure, but nothing will be done. Everybody will just be saying what they like, whether it is true or not. Well, why talk about size? Somebody saying, why talk about size? No be mad, continue with his dream. Okay. No go dey dance to the tune of some wicked northerners and forget carrying the assignments of crushing the insurgency and the bandits. That one good now. You say wetin? The life for this country na die the kind of waste. Now the kind of waste that is full of lies that kills someone. Imagine what this one is saying when they know what allegedly kpai the man. Since you know what kpai the man, why didn't you tell the whole world? Continue to make wide unsubstantiable allegations. Nigerian leaders always play with life. Some said he was diabolically kpai because of land disputes. Others said he was poisoned by what, and he has cancer. All of you are selfless leaders with a strangulated country. Okay. Sorry for the God, or story for the gods. Story for the deceased. I thought it was Lagbaja the singer. No, can't be. The death of our army chief came at a surprise. Came as a surprise. I hope it's will not. It's not what I'm thinking. Sincerely, things they happen. Hmm. Take his step and do better than him. The testimony about his love for his wife and children should not have come from you. That should be reserved for his immediate family. Why not? He may be his close ally and confidant in the army. You surely have this one person you tell things about your family. Am I wrong? Let me say it. Why also his family should corroborate his statements. I have never seen a chief of army staff perform exercise with his troops before. He was a soldier. I am very sure Buratai cannot even hold a candle to Lagbaja'S record of service. His death is sad loss for Nigeria. Oluyede, you are a big fool. Why will our leaders not build hospitals here in Nigeria? Time will come when none of you will see that opportunity of trying or flying abroad. It's obvious you are already dancing to the tune. If you saw the footsteps of your predecessor, you hmm, it will be bad. Okay, stop that statement. Buhari was everywhere in the whole world, taking good care of his health. Tinubu was everywhere in and out of the best hospital all over the world, but this one died procuring equipment for the military men and brethren. Make una follow me, Georgian. It's unfortunate that what happened this way. So guys, that's just the cocoa of the matter. Leave your comment down there below and let's have your take. Thank you.